Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Auxe and here I speak about fragrances. Today I would like to introduce you a new fragrance. I will do unboxing of this Giorgio Armani C fragrance, and plus I will chit chat a little bit about this Oriental Intense, because it's kind of like a dupe of this C fragrance, and plus a little bit to remind you that there is this new version of C fragrance that they released recently. The name of it is C Intense. So I'm really happy to be able to talk to you guys again about fragrances and other things, mostly actually about fragrances. So I'm gonna unbox this fragrance. This fragrance is not new to me. I'm already familiar with this, but actually it's C Eau de Parfum and it's Giorgio Armani. So there are many C ranges, from this brand, and basically there is this black bottle, red bottle, which is, the name of it is Passione, and this one is original, and actually it's the most popular. So this bottle, as I have, is not a big one. I have only small version of this, and I'm gonna compare right now. How does it feel like, So see, fragrance, Eau de Parfum, it's super popular. I think it was the most popular in some year, and women tend to really like it. So there is this like a musky type of feeling, I don't know the notes over there, but there is this musky feeling, and it's really liked by women, especially if you want to buy like as a present. You can really do that. So this muskiness is quite pleasant, quite pleasant type of musky vanilla type of fragrance. Maybe that's why it's so liked in between of women, So this one is C Eau de Parfum. And for example, if we would compare with this, many women say it's kind of like a dupe of this fragrance, So Oriental Intense. So you can feel the quality in the Armani fragrance. And let me see, what about, let's say, this one? So there is a familiarity, there is the similarity with C Eau de Parfum, there is definitely some kind of, similarity, but this one is more sweeter. Oriental Intense is sweeter. And, I think, of course, Armani, it's more quality. You can feel it, let me see. So you can kind of feel that quality in it, So Zara one is sweeter, and this one is more gentle, more feminine, and more subtle type of version. So okay, so this one is slightly more outstanding than that one. I would say if you have, extra money, in your pocket, and if you don't mind to spend for C fragrance, go with this C fragrance, But if you would like to save up some money and you know that you like this C range, then go with Oriental Intense, But I'm not sure they discontinued that one. I think they have something still left. And let's say if we would have a look now together with this like a C, they have this like a C Intense version now. It's not the black bottle, but it's like a caramel type of bottle, So let's have a look at what is the difference with this one as well. I already tried it before, and so, this one has like a caramel type of scent in it, as far as I remember, and so it's slightly, how to say, to be fair to you, my nose became completely obnoxious right now, and it's hard to say what I feel, but as far as I remember before, I was preferring this one, the original version, and not this one. The reason why, because they just took these notes and then added something else, like some kind of like a caramel type of smell, like a one note that I was feeling a little bit extra. But I was still preferring the C original. But in between of those intense, they have this like a black bottle. So in between of the black bottle and this one intense, I would choose that black bottle, to be honest, you know. So this one, I repeat for you guys again that this one is the most liked in between of women, in between of those C ranges. And then this one is a new C intense that perhaps it's nice, but I still go with the original one. And this one is economic version of all of these ones, you know. So if you want to save money, maybe go with that one. You will not get exactly the same, you know, but you will get some like muskiness that you can feel in these ones, you know. So I don't know, guys, I have a question for you. Do you agree that this fragrance is pleasant? Do you guys agree that this fragrance would be pleasant? Is that your favorite? Is it not? Is that something that you would buy? Myself, I would maybe buy it as a gift for someone, but not for myself, because there are some other fragrances that are much nicer. So basically, let me know what's your opinion. I will come back to you soon, guys. And with all of these like musky C notes, you know, let's finish this video. Let me know which one you're gonna go for in the future. Would you go for Zara fragrance, or which one? Or are you confused about this, all of this C range that they have, you know? My favorite from C range, I would say, is this one, and then C Fiori, and then C Passione, and then C Intense Black Bottle. So these are my favorite that I would like you know, to recommend if you were to choose one. So I'm gonna be sure to have a great day. I will come back to you soon, and bye bye.